Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to today's math lesson with me, Teacher Fiona. This is week 5, math lesson number 9. Today we are going to be looking at making number bonds. A number bond is when you take one number and divide it into two parts. In this lesson, we will be looking at different examples of this, and you will have to complete 2 bookwork activities by yourself. Before we do the book activity, I want us to review together. Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to today's math lesson with me, Teacher Fiona. I hope you're all doing well and are keeping safe. Are you ready to learn? Today we are going to be looking at Chapter 2, Number Bonds. Let's take a look at the first example. As you can see on the screen, we have 4 butterflies. Let's take those 4 butterflies and make them into 2 parts. Part 1 has 3 butterflies. 1 white butterfly, 1 blue butterfly, and 1 orange butterfly. Part 2 only has 1 butterfly. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. This is a whole number. 3 plus 1 is 4. As you can see, 3 and 1 makes 4. We call this a number bond. Any number can be divided into 2 parts. Let's take a look at different ways to divide a number. As you can see in the picture, here we have 7 shells. Let's make different number bonds out of them. Part 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shells. Part 2, we have 0. We don't have any shells. 7 plus 0 will give you 7. 7 and 0 makes 7. Or you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 shells, part 1, plus 1, 2 shells, part 2, will give you 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Number bonds, 5 and 2 makes 7. Or we can divide it further. Part 1, 1, 2, 3 shells. Part 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 shells. 3 plus 4 will give you 7. This number bond is 3 and 4 make 7. There are 3 different ways to divide this, number 7. Okay, boys and girls, now I would like us to complete some bookwork. You can take out your My Pals Are Here Pupils book, Maths 1A, and open to page number 21 and page number 22. Let's look at the hands-on activity. A. What other numbers make 4? 4 plus 0 will give you 4. Alright, so in the first block, you can write 4 and 0 makes 4. In the blue circle, you can fill in the number 4. The second part, you can complete by yourself. Okay, boys and girls, on page number 22, let's do the hands-on activity. Here we have the number 7. Let's divide it. 3 plus 4 will give you 7. 3 and 4 will give you 7. You can complete the second and third example by yourself. If you don't remember the answers, you can re-watch the video. Remember that we can divide numbers more than one way. Okay, boys and girls, that is it for today's lesson. I'll see you soon. Okay, boys and girls, that is all for today's math lesson. Today we have looked at making number bonds. You have looked at 2 different examples. Example 1, we looked at the number 4 and how it can be divided into 2 parts. In example 2, we looked at the number 7 and how it can be divided into more than 2 parts. These are called number bonds. I would like you to not forget to complete page number 21 and 22 in your pupils book and to finish that activity. All right, everyone, stay safe. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.